Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful tools for transforming your health: intermittent fasting. Whether you want to boost your energy, sharpen your mind, or shed a few pounds, intermittent fasting can do wonders for your body and brain. In this video, we're breaking down the science, the hourly changes in your body, and the best fasting protocols to fit your lifestyle. So, grab a glass of water, yep, that's allowed, and let's get started. Intermittent fasting, or IF, isn't about what you eat, it's about when you eat. It's a pattern of eating where you cycle between periods of eating and fasting. This isn't a diet, it's a lifestyle that taps into your body's natural rhythms. From weight loss to mental clarity, IF has benefits backed by science. And the best part? You can customize it to fit your schedule. Let's talk about what happens in your body when you fast. Let's take a journey through a fasting day to see how your body transforms hour by hour. 0 to 4 hours after eating. Right after your last meal, your body is busy digesting and absorbing nutrients. Blood sugar rises, and insulin kicks in to shuttle glucose into your cells for energy. Your body's feasting mode, storing energy for later. 4 to 8 hours. Around 4 to 8 hours in, your body starts tapping into glycogen, stored carbs in your liver, for energy. Insulin levels drop, and your body begins to shift gears, preparing for fat-burning mode. 8 to 12 hours. By 8 to 12 hours, glycogen stores are getting low, and your body starts burning fat for fuel. This is when you enter the fat-burning zone, a key reason why IF is so effective for weight loss. 12 to 16 hours. Here's where the magic happens: autophagy. Around 12 to 16 hours, your cells start a cleanup process called autophagy. Think of it like a cellular vacuum cleaner, clearing out damaged cells and recycling them for energy. This boosts longevity, fights inflammation, and may even reduce the risk of some chronic diseases. 16 to 24 hours. After 16 hours, autophagy is in full swing, and your body's running on ketones, fat-derived energy that's like rocket fuel for your brain. You'll feel sharper, more focused, and energized. Plus, your body's insulin sensitivity improves, which is great for blood sugar control. Isn't that incredible? Your body is literally rebuilding itself while you fast. Now let's talk about the mental and physical benefits. Intermittent fasting isn't just about what's happening inside. It transforms how you feel. Here are the top benefits. IF can help you lose weight by boosting fat burning and reducing calorie intake. It improves heart health by lowering blood pressure, cholesterol, and triglycerides. It also enhances insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. And that autophagy we mentioned, it's linked to anti-aging and better cellular health. Mental benefits. Mentally, IF is a game changer. Fasting increases levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, which supports brain health and may protect against neurodegenerative diseases. You'll likely notice better focus, improved mood, and even reduced stress. Many fasters report feeling clearer and more productive. Who doesn't want to feel sharper and healthier? Now, let's explore how to make IF work for you with different fasting protocols. There are tons of ways to practice IF, so you can find one that fits your life. Here are the most popular protocols. The 16-8 method. The 16-8 method is the most popular. You fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, like 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. It's great for beginners because you're fasting mostly while you sleep. Perfect for your busy schedules. The 5-2 diet. With the 5-2 diet, you can eat normally for 5 days a week and restrict calories to about 500 to 600 on 2 non-consecutive days. This is ideal if you want flexibility and don't want to fast every day. Alternate day fasting. Alternate day fasting means fasting every other day, either fully or with very low calories, around 500. It's more intense, but can lead to significant health benefits for those who can stick with it. Remember, with the exception of the 2 low-cal methods I just mentioned, fasting means no food, no snacks, no juice or sugary drinks or sodas, not even diet sodas, just water. You can add a squeeze of lemon if needed, plus lemon is healthful. Black or bulletproof coffee or unsweetened tea. No milk. Bulletproof coffee refers to adding a tablespoon of MCT oil to your coffee. It's good for your brain, and the fat helps to quell the hunger pangs without jump-starting your insulin production. No matter the protocol, stay hydrated and eat nutrient-dense foods during your eating window. To really boost your weight loss and health improvements, follow a keto or paleo diet, which we'll discuss further in a future video. And listen to your body. When you've decided to give intermittent fasting a shot, start slow and don't be afraid to experiment to find what works best. And there you have it, the incredible benefits of intermittent fasting and how to make it work for you. From fat burning to mental clarity to cellular repair, IF is a powerful tool for a healthier you. Have you tried fasting? Are you ready to give it a shot? Drop a comment below and let's keep the conversation going. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more health tips every week. And until next time, stay healthy and keep shining.